Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Haynes from Tech Bargains, and this is the video unboxing of the Toshiba Qosmio F755 3D laptop. 3D technology and computers aren't anything new. In fact, it's been around for quite some time. But until computer manufacturers figure out a way of transmitting 3D images without bulky, cumbersome glasses, or the need to constantly recharge those peripherals, it really isn't going to take off with computer systems. That's where Toshiba believes that it's actually solved that problem with the introduction of the F755, which actually beams 3D images to your eyes without the need for glasses. We saw this in action at CES this year, and we finally managed to get our hands on it, so we thought we'd open it up just to show you exactly what you can expect when you pick this up from a store or order it from Toshiba. Now, if you're familiar with any Toshiba products, you're pretty much accustomed to the fact that it has the standard two-level packaging that they usually do, with the system on the bottom and the product information and other items at the top. So if you open up this top flap, you have a lot of the product information here. As you can see, you've got some of the quick start guides, the warranty manuals, things like that, a couple different offers, even some packaging and resources for the 3D technology. You even have a couple of offers, and of course you have the power cable for the system. You also have, in this opening part, the power brick for the laptop. Once you get past all the product information and manuals, you're obviously left with the Qosmio F755. As you can see, this is not a slim or small system. As a matter of fact, this is definitely not an ultrabook. It really wouldn't classify as that, especially since it came out at the tail end of last year. But it is in the standard Qosmio color scheme. So, you know, you have your traditional red and black colors for the system itself. Why don't we take a really quick look around it before we go into some of the specs of the system. On this side, you have your headphone and your microphone jacks right there. You have a USB 2.0 port right here. You also have your Blu-ray reader, DVD burner, super multi-drive, and one other USB 2.0 port on this side. On the back of the system, you have your wired Ethernet port as well as your AC adapter port. And over here on this side, you have a VGA port. You have one more USB 2.0 port, as well as a USB 3.0 super speed port that also has sleep and charge functionality. So you can charge an MP3 player, a cell phone, or any other device without actually having to turn on this particular laptop. Finally, rounding out this side is one HDMI port. On the front, you have your multi-card reader slot, and that's about it. The Qosmio F755 is powered by a second-generation Intel Core i5-2450M processor running at 2.5 GHz that can be boosted up to 3.1 GHz using turbo. It comes with 6 GB of DDR3 RAM, and this is supplemented by an NVIDIA GeForce GT 540M video card with 1 GB of graphical memory. All of this displays content on the 15.6-inch LCD screen that has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 when it's displaying 2D content, and 1366 by 768 when it's displaying 3D content at 60 Hz. One other notable feature is the webcam, which has face tracking technology to help beam the 3D images directly to your face and yours alone. So easily you sit in front, you let it scan your face, and automatically it will start presenting whatever you happen to be watching in 3D. It's very cool, and we definitely recommend that people check it out. You also have a full island-style chiclet keyboard, as well as Harman Kardon included speakers that have Dolby Advanced Audio and Waves Audio Max 3 technology. So, that's a quick look at the Toshiba Qosmio F755 3D laptop. Be sure to come back in the upcoming weeks where we'll have a full review of this particular system. For the latest coupons and deals on Toshiba systems like the Qosmio F755, be sure to go to techbargains.com/Toshiba. To enter our monthly drawings, make sure you always check out techbargains.com/YouTube, and to check out our video unboxings, video reviews, and exclusive video features, be sure to always go to techbargains.com/videos.